This was pre-opened during delivery because it needs to be checked. So there are two versions of these bare tool uh, units. The other one has an inlay for the L box. Free blades and zero clearance plate, freebie plate. Brochure, manual. Pendulum setting 1, 2, 3. So there are 4. There are two versions of this, the black one and the red one. The SDS blade holder. So this is made in Hungary. This is expected to have very robust components since most of Bosch R&D are done in Hungary. And those made in Hungary are using the highest of standards. So this is the reason why this is still DC motor model with carbon brushes, not a brushless model, but this is the reason why these models are very expensive. The prices are high. There's a newer one, a brushless model, but it's made in China and it's definitely lower in price. Safety lock, unlock, it's got a blower function, goes away dust, and there's an LED. The pendulum action takes place here. The changes are just subtle, but the effects are very evident during use. And this is the zero clearance insert. I don't know how to use this. Flat side at the bottom, flat side of the plate. Then there's a slot here. This goes here. There. Prevents tear outs. I think this is the best jigsaw I've ever used. It's very stable, well balanced, and almost zero vibration. And that's it. Wait for my review on the new Bosch GST 185Li, the brushless model compared to this one. This is the older model.